Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Diwali is just around the corner, and for the past few days, my feed has been filled with most delicious looking sweet recipes from everyone I follow. It's been inspiring to see so many unique and mouth-watering treats, each one making me crave something special for this festive season. So I thought, why not create my own dessert to celebrate? So in this video, I'm sharing a rich creamy recipe with a mix of nuts and dry fruits. For this, first we will boil some water and add 3/4 cup of almonds and 3/4 cup of cashews to the water and boil them for few minutes until the almonds and cashews soften slightly. We will carefully transfer the nuts to a colander and rinse them well with cold water to cool them completely. Next, we will remove the skin of the almonds. We will gently press on each almonds to pop the skins off. They will come off easily. Now our nuts are ready to be made into a paste. I've also blended 1 cup of sugar with 3 to 4 cardamoms and I've kept it aside. Now into the same jar, I'm going to add all these nuts. Add some milk to it and make into a paste. I've added 1.5 cups of milk to make this paste. Next, into a pan, we will take 3.5 cups of milk and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Now I've used 1 liter of milk, so 1.5 cups I've used for making the nuts into a paste and the remaining milk I have added to the pan. We need to stir frequently until it reduces slightly and thickens, and this may take about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we will add the sugar cardamom powder and give it a nice mix until all the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar is dissolved, we will add some saffron milk to this for the beautiful color and a nice flavor. We have prepared saffron milk by dissolving a few saffron strands in 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Now this will give our dessert a nice color. Next, we will add the cashew almond paste. Now we need to stir continuously on a low heat to prevent this from sticking. The mixture will start to thicken as it cooks, so we need to keep stirring this continuously. And this might take about 20 minutes. I'm also adding 1 chopped dried fig and 2 apricots for a subtle sweetness and a chewy texture. The apricot will give a slight tangy taste to this dessert. We will continue to stir and cook until the mixture thickens and it doesn't stick to the pan. Now our mixture is thickened and now we will transfer this to a serving dish. We will spread it evenly. I'm also sprinkling a few chopped pistachios on top for an extra pop of color and richness. We will let it cool at room temperature for about an hour and then place it in a refrigerator to chill for another hour. This will foam up as it cools, so we can cut into any shape what we like. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.